Would you believe me if I told you that I made $1,000 online in just 1 week? All I used was my laptop and a few simple apps. I didn't run any ads. I don't have any fancy equipment. And I definitely don't have a huge following. This was all about working smart, not who's hard. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, step by step. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Here, we talk about real, practical ways to make money online, explore side hustles, and build digital income streams that actually work. If that sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Alright, let's jump right into how I made $1,000 online in just 7 days. First up, I started with freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. I created a really simple gig, writing short blog posts and product descriptions. Now, even as a total beginner, I set my price at around $20 to $30 per order. In the first few days, I managed to complete about 4 or 5 of those. Boom. That was already around $150 to $200 in just the first half of the week. A quick tip here. Always offer fast delivery and maintain super friendly communication. This will boost your ratings and help you get more orders much faster. Next, I layered in a simple affiliate marketing strategy. I started sharing useful products and tools that I genuinely use, like certain AI apps, on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. In my bio and descriptions, I included my affiliate links. One of my videos happened to go semi-viral, and that little boost brought in around $300 in commissions in just a couple of days. The beauty of affiliate links is that they can generate passive income long after you've posted the content. Then, for my third income stream, I created a simple digital product. I designed a Notion template specifically for content planning, something I already use myself. I listed it for just $10 on marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad. To my surprise, within that same week, I sold 50 copies. That's another $500, and it's completely passive after the initial setup. It's the classic create once, earn forever model, and it's incredibly powerful. So, let's do a quick recap of the results. From freelancing, I made $200. From affiliate marketing, I earned $300. And from my digital product, I brought in $500. That adds up to a grand total of $1,000 in just 7 days. And the best part, these systems are now in place, which means I can continue earning from them week after week. If you're inspired and want to learn how to set up these income streams for yourself, I've got you covered. Check out the link in the description and the pinned comment below. I've put together a full, detailed guide with all the resources and links I used. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone you know who could use an extra online income boost. See you in the next one.